Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard. Today, I'll be reading you a poem called A Victor and Overcomer from the book 95 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Gerard. A Victor and Overcomer. Don't forget, you're a human being with imperfections on the verge of change. You're a work in progress on a spiritual evolution with weaknesses and strengths. Though you may fail from time to time, and you may forget from time to time, always remember your origin, that you're a victor and overcomer, and you have been since birth. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was beautiful. Now, I'd like to take a moment of gratitude. If you can, please close your eyes and think of a few things you are grateful for today. I am grateful for my wife, friends, family. I am grateful for the walls around me. I am grateful for air conditioning, the sunshine. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. Thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.